Hello and welcome back to Sissy Spaces. In today's video, we're doing a motivational 2-day clean with me, starting in my kitchen. Also, if you enjoyed today's video, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button and share this channel with your family and friends. After getting ready for the day, I make my bed. This allows my bed to air out before making it. You need to at least do this for an hour. I also wash my sheets every Friday. You really only need to do it about every 2 weeks, but once a week is best. We're now moving into my eat-in area. I want to make sure I check on my felt floor protectors at the bottom of my chairs because these are great or maybe even the best at keeping your chair legs from scratching the hardwood floor, but only if they're clean and they stay on. By the way, these are laminate floors. And the reason why I chose those over hardwood floors is because hardwood floors were more expensive for one, and also laminate flooring is scratch proof, but it's not moisture proof. I think the best floors out there today are the LVP flooring.
And now I'm standing in the corner. I see you from across the room. It's kind of crowded here, but I know.
I cleaned, decluttered, and organized my closet about 6 months ago, and this has saved me tons of money because I'm no longer purchasing duplicate items.
What it is about you, it must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to, we got nothing to lose. You're looking so old, you're looking so old.
By the way, if you're new to my channel, my friends call me Charlene, but my family call me Sissy. I live outside of Atlanta with my husband of 31 years, our 2 young adult sons, and my fur baby Max. I make all cleaning and lifestyle videos and hope that you'll return to see them. So if you enjoyed today's video, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button and share this channel with your family and friends.
Say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want.
If you didn't notice, I always clean my toilets with a tissue first to remove the dirt, and then I followed up with a Clorox, and I work from the top down.
You got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you.
In my dining room, I want to do the exact same thing I did in my eat-in area, which is to check these chair pads. You can pick these chair pads up anywhere. I think I purchased these at the at-home superstore. I also want to tighten the bolts on the bottom of the chairs because I noticed a few were loose. And I need to mop because I think the last time I mopped the dining room was about a month ago.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time being so.
I wipe this table down weekly because I use it to hold all my boxes that I receive. I also use it to itemize items, so it gets pretty dusty and dirty.
Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is.
In my last video entitled New House Projects, I stripped the varnish off all the light covers in my home, but I failed to wipe down the vanities afterwards. So today I'm going to wipe down the vanities in all 4 bathrooms. So continue watching.
I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet. Whoa.
I purchased this little red scrubber brush. I think it's called the Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber from Amazon about 6 months ago. And I absolutely love this thing because it does a great job of getting that dirt and grime that's caught between your faucet handles and behind it.
When it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something.
forget to clean the pitchers that are located in the little toilet rooms. And boy, was this pitcher filthy.
Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, 'cause I'm happy. I'm not gonna wake up.
We're now in my office, and I really don't need to clean the bookcases today because I did that last week, but I do need to wipe down the desk and also clean the printer and chair and vacuum because it was pretty dirty in there. And if you watch my videos in the past, you'll notice that at the end of each month, I do itemization of all my receipts in there. So I wanted to make sure it was clean because that's what I'm doing tomorrow.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life.
If you don't own a shredder, go out and get one because there are lots of advantages of having a shredder. For one, it creates new space in your home or office because you don't have all that paper cluttering things up. It's environmentally friendly. It also prevents identity theft because people will go through your garbage to steal your identity, and it's really bad here.
Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his.
We're now in my third bathroom, and I'm doing the same thing I did in my hallway bath. And as you can see, the lights are pretty bright because I stripped that varnish off there last week. But I want to make sure I clean the vanities as well as the floors and the toilet.
Just from time to time, inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up.
I'm thinking about replacing these granite countertops because they look pretty busy. What do you guys think? Do you think I should replace them or keep them?
Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego.
Again, I'm using a facial tissue to wipe the dirt and grime off prior to using a Clorox wipe.
Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego.
I'm dusting off the sofa table located in my family room, and I'm actually thinking about decorating for fall. And if I do decorate for fall, it's going to occur in August, near the end of it, or early September. So please subscribe so you don't miss that video. By the way, these decorations are not new. I'm just dusting them off and placing them back on the sofa table.
You said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotion.
This is the downstairs owner suite bath, and we're at my husband's vanity. I'm going to do the exact same thing I did in the other 3 bathrooms, which is clean the mirrors, the vanities, the sinks, and the floors and toilets.
Help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the.
If you watch my channel for a while, you know one of my goals is to remodel this bathroom, and that will occur next year. So please make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss that video.
One who's breaking in.
If you watch my renovated home video, you do know that these are tall, high-efficient toilets. Go back and check that video out if you haven't seen it. These toilets are actually not your standard toilet.
I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotion. Sometimes I'm the lightning
If you made it this far in the video, I want to thank you for watching Sissy Spaces. Also, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button and share this channel with your family and friends. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.